Kabit Ophis Thymmai jong katanat soil and water conservation le Plie Peit ba Iaka ha ka arpoi terik mentau benai ha Shnong Laskeiñ halor ka thong ban penjan ka jing shakri sha ki saw punyau tli ki Shnong baha apo ke Iaka raliang. Lawan ban Plie kini Kabit Ophis Thymmai do Menteri Katanat Soil and Water Conservation u Marcus N Marak ha ka jing don lang u MLA ka than u Nujor ki sungo ka Director Katanat Soil and Water Conservation Department ka Iba Shisha Rinja Divisional Soil and Water Conservation Officer Jowai Territorial Division u Taiwan Yuwar bat kiwe. Iaka jaka bashna bit Ophis bahe kumba shilak 2000 saus pa lai po square feet la ais ngobha da kador bar Shnong Laskeiñ hi. Menteri Katanat Soil and Water Conservation u Marcus N Marak u khmi linti bada ka jingdon ka bit Ophis kan salong ka jingmentoi ka bakrawi ki pai ba ka than banyo jing shakri ha ka jingedei ban penne pensa bat ya dai ki khendau ki ki wa bat ru kin kloi banyo jing tip ha ka bayadei bat ki skim ba pher Lodon langru ha ka ni ka sngi u Additional Deputy Commissioner ka West Janta Hills u MB Tongper ki ba mi khmat na Katanat Soil and Water Conservation u wahet Shnong Laskeiñ penbet lang lingdo udaloi Iaka raliang uchawas lingdo bat kiwe.
This establishment of Laskeiñ Beat Office addresses a pressing need. Previously, the residents of these 47 villages had to travel a long distances to ranch office in Shangpung village. This journey was not just inconvenient but also posed significant challenges, especially for those with limited financial resources and time. Today, we are taking a significant step towards alleviating these difficulties and bringing essential services closer to the people. The Laskeiñ Beat Office will serve multiple critical functions. It will act as a hub for information dissemination and the implementation of developmental schemes by the Department of Soil and Water Conservation. The accessibility of this office will ensure that people can readily benefit from the department's initiatives aimed at enhancing agriculture productivity, conserving natural resources, and improving overall community well-being. The Laskeiñ Beat Office will also play a pivotal role in environmental stewardship. By promoting and implementing conservation practices, the office will help preserve our natural resources for future generations. This is particularly important in a time when climate change and environmental degradation pose significant threats to our way of life. We are also honoring the trust and goodwill of the Laskeiñ village Dorbar. Their intention in donating this land was clear: to provide their community with easy access to vital services. Today, we fulfill that intention, and I am confident that this office will become a cornerstone of support and development for entire region. As we inaugurate this office today, let it serve as a reminder of what we can achieve